Alright, so I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from PayPal directly into your mobile money, either on MTN, Airtel, Tigo, or Telecel. Now, this method is very important because PayPal in Ghana has a lot of limitations. And many people can receive funds or money in their PayPal account but don't know how to cash it out directly into their local Ghanaian bank accounts or mobile money. So in this video, I'll show you the exact setup on how you can withdraw your money straight from PayPal into mobile money right here in Ghana. Let's start. Now I'm going to show you what you need before starting and how to avoid PayPal from constantly asking for OTP verification codes each time you want to log into your account and withdraw money. Before we start, there's something important you must understand here. Now I know I have a lot of tutorials on how to create a PayPal account. The reason why most of you get blocked when creating the account is that PayPal keeps on changing their platform or updating it time to time. So I also need to keep on making new videos or new updates on how you can create PayPal accounts in a limited country like Ghana or other African countries so that you can use to withdraw your funds online. Now, to properly receive and withdraw PayPal money very easily, you need access to a PayPal account created in a country where PayPal is fully supported. These includes countries like United States, United Kingdom, or any country where PayPal works 100%. Now, with this tutorial, you have to do this with someone you actually trust and someone that also trust you very much. This person can be a friend, a family member, or someone really close to you living abroad outside the country in which you currently live in where PayPal is limited. In my case, I have a trusted friend in the United Kingdom. Let's call him Mr. Anonymous. Because we trust each other, he created a PayPal account using his details in the United Kingdom. And he did this with his actual real details because he trusts me. And I used that specific account that he created for me to receive money each time I work online. This is very important because the account must belong to a real person, not just how we created the PayPal accounts in the past. Because at some point, when PayPal updates their system or you receive enough funds, PayPal is going to ask you for proof of address, which is a verification method. And if you do not have one, your account is gone forever. That is one of my old accounts where I currently have money in the account, but this is the message I get when I try to log in and my money is stuck. Maybe one day I might travel to the United Kingdom and then get my documents and then use to withdraw my money. Now, why trust is really important in this. This person, which is my friend, Mr. Anonymous, is helping me use his identity to create a PayPal account for me to receive funds. So trust is extremely important right here between both of us. What if I receive money and then it's from a scam or something illegal? They might arrest him in the United Kingdom. That is why trust is really important. Now, once you have someone like that, you need to be very careful. Do not misuse the account for illegal transactions or receive payments from people you do not know or companies that you have no idea about. Do not do any suspicious transactions on the account, else your person in the United Kingdom or any other country that PayPal is allowed will be arrested. And you always try to keep communication between both of you, because most people might give you the account. When you send your money into the account, they might also rip you off. So be very careful with the person you choose. Once you get access to that PayPal account, the first thing you need to do is enable Passkey login. Now, Passkey allow you to log into PayPal without any password or OTP codes. Instead of using passwords, if your phone have fingerprint, Face ID, or even your device passcode or password, you can log in successfully without typing in any password for PayPal. And with a passkey, they won't send any OTP code to your friend's number in the United Kingdom or United States. My phone supports fingerprint, so I enable Touch ID as my passkey. What this does is very powerful for you and to save you a lot of time by contacting your friend to send you the OTP code or the time. Instead of PayPal sending the verification codes to your friend abroad every time you log into your account to withdraw money, you can instantly use a passkey, which is a fingerprint or Face ID. This means faster logins, no OTP stress, no calling your friend every single time to ask for verification codes, smooth withdrawal every single time straight to your mobile money in Ghana. And honestly, with the passkey on, it saves a lot of time and it makes managing the account that he created for you very easy to handle. Now, these are the steps on how you can enable Passkey on the PayPal application. If you don't have the PayPal application download on your iPhone or Android, I have a tutorial. I'll leave it down in the description. You can click on it and then go watch that video. How to activate Passkey on the PayPal application. Now, log into PayPal. Go to settings, click security, find Passkey or login option. Enable Passkey on your device. Confirm using a fingerprint or a Face ID. Once you are done, your device becomes a trusted login method, and the next time you try to log into your account, PayPal is going to ask you to type in a password or send any verification codes to your friend's mobile phone number in the UK or US. Now let's talk about withdrawing your money to mobile money right here in Ghana using PayPal. All right, so I'm going to open the PayPal application and I use the Passkey, which is the Touch ID, to open it. This is my balance, and when I click on it, I can transfer to bank or transfer internationally. I'm going to click on the options menu here, and right from here, I'm then going to select mobile wallet transfer. This is going to take you to a page where you can send money internationally. So I'm in Ghana, so I'm going to search for Ghana. Right, so I'm going to change the amount which I'll be sending, and I think I have £54 in the account, which is equivalent to 785 Ghana cedis. So I'll select mobile money wallet, which is Airtel, MTN, and Telecel. These are the transaction fees. I'm going to click on next right here, and mobile wallet details. Here you can select your network in which you are sending the money. I'm using a Vodafone, so I'm going to type in my Vodafone number right here. All right, so from here you can then add your name. So my name is L, or whichever number you are sending the money to. I'm going to type in my address. I'm going to type in my address as well. And then I'm going to type in the city in which I'm located. I'm then going to include a phone number, which is the same number I'm sending the money to. From here, I'm then going to type in an email that I'll get a verification on this that the money has been sent. So from here, I'm simply going to click on next, which is the contact details that we just filled. To complete your transaction, we need to tell us about yourself. So we need to verify our location. All you have to do is to click on next. This is going to take you to choose a way to pay yourself, either through a linked Visa card or PayPal balance. The fees are exactly the same. I'm going to select PayPal balance. Click on next. Right, so this is the money, £54 sent to my Vodafone number, and estimated transfer duration is between 1 to 20 minutes. Right, so I'm going to click on send, and the money has been sent by Xoom, a PayPal service. All right, so that is all, guys. That is how you can send money from PayPal to mobile money. Since Ghana PayPal accounts have limitations, we use transfer services that convert PayPal funds to mobile money cash. One of the biggest problems people face is needing an OTP code every single time they try to log into the account. That's why enabling Passkey on the account is a game changer. You will need to be calling your friends abroad to ask for the code each time you want to withdraw money or log into the account. Passkey allows your PayPal logins to be device-based, not SMS-based. And that's it, guys. You should get a friend who is in UK, United States, or a country where PayPal is available. And then he's going to create the account for you if he believes you and you also believe him. And then from there, he gives you the login. You turn on the Passkey and you withdraw funds successfully to your mobile money. This erases the hassle for trying to get a Visa debit card or a bank account like Pioneer Grade to withdraw your funds. Until next time, guys, my name is L Jones. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, you do your best and then subscribe. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.